Ciao world. A friend of mine gives me this Anycubic Photon Mono X 6 key. I don't know this kind of printer anyway. It gives me because it has a problem. It told me that when you start the printer, the display does not work. Well, the touch seems somehow to work, but the display doesn't. And it like sometime it works. You have to boot and reboot a few times. Well, a lot of time. And so let's see what's the issue and if we can repair this. I have made a few tries and it ended up being this connector here, this one here. So I have put this in a way that seems to be like okay, and it works. So I have put some glue. This glue is the one for the screw that you can already not easily remove, but you can remove without damaging all the connector if I had to remove. And then I put some silicone glue here to retain this this connection here, and seems to work. Now I put it back. By the way, the original one has just like a stick of adhesive paper over there. And let's check it. Working. There are those two lines that he was not able to remove, but at least it's working. Touchscreen is working too, so I call it a simple repair.